Battery Energy Storage System BESS, Engineering Compliance and Training Consultancy. In today's rapidly evolving global energy landscape, battery energy storage systems, commonly known as BESS, are no longer optional infrastructure. They are a critical backbone of modern power systems. From renewable energy integration to grid stabilization, peak load management, frequency regulation, and backup power applications, BESS best technologies are transforming how the world generates, stores, and consumes energy. However, as the industry grows, so do the challenges. We are seeing increasingly complexity in engineering design integration, safety and fire risk management, international compliance requirements, grid interconnection standards, system reliability and life cycle performance. And this is where many best companies face critical gaps, not in technology alone, but in engineering standardization, compliance systems, and technical competency development. This is exactly where specialized consultancy support becomes essential. In this video, we will explore how structured engineering consultancy, ISO implementation, engineering standards alignment, and specialized training can significantly improve the performance, safety, and global competitiveness of battery energy storage system organization. Global BESS industry challenges. The global BESS industry is expanding at an unprecedented rate. Utility scale projects, commercial installations, and hybrid renewable systems are being deployed across continents, from Asia to Europe, the Middle East, Africa, and the Americas. But despite this rapid growth, the industry continues to face recurring technical and operational challenges. Now, first, engineering integration complexity. Modern based solutions involve multi-layer integration, battery models and rack systems, power conversion systems, energy management systems, SCADA and communication layers, grid interconnection infrastructure. A lack of system-level engineering alignment often leads to inefficiencies in performance, communication failures between subsystems, reduced energy efficiency ratios, increased downtime risks. Then second, safety risks and thermal events. One of the most critical concerns in BESS deployment is battery safety. Thermal runaway, fire propagation, and inadequate containment design remain serious risks when systems are not engineered with strict safety frameworks. Without structured risk assessment methodologies like FMEA, failure mode and effective analysis, hazard and operability studies, system level hazard identification, companies face significant operational and reputational risks. Then next is lack of standardized engineering practices. See, many BESS projects are executed without unified engineering standards. This leads to inconsistent documentation, non-uniform design validation, poor traceability, difficulties in certification and approvals. Then compliance and certification challenges. Fourth, see, global markets demand strict adherence to ISO management systems, IEC electrical standards, grid code compliance, fire safety and energy storage regulations. Without structured implementation, projects face delays, rework or rejection during approvals. Why engineering consultancy is critical? In the BESS industry, technology alone is not enough. What determines success is engineering discipline, compliance readiness, and structured execution frameworks. This is where specialized consultancy plays a transformative role. First, standardization of engineering systems. A structured consultancy approach ensures unified design practices across projects, standard engineering documentation templates, clear validation and verification processes, improved cross-functional coordination. This reduces engineering ambiguity and increases execution speed. Then second, system level performance optimization. BESS is not a standalone product. It is a complex integrated energy ecosystem. Consultancy support ensures proper sizing and configuration, efficient PCS EMS integration, optimize charging oblique discharging strategies, reduce degradation rates. Then third is risk-based engineering approach. Modern engineering must be risk-driven through structured methodologies. Potential failures are identified early. Safety layers are embedded in design. Operational risks are mitigated before deployment. This significantly improves long-term system reliability. Then fourth, regulatory and global market readiness. Each global market has different requirements. A consultancy framework helps companies align with international ISO standards, meet country-specific grid codes, achieve certification readiness faster, reduce approval bottlenecks. Then ISO implementation for BESS organizations. Let us see this. See, ISO systems are not just documentation. Please keep this in mind. They are operational control frameworks that define how an organization functions. For BESS companies, ISO implementation is critical in three major areas. First, ISO 9001. This is the basic standard quality management system. This standard ensures controlled engineering processes, documented design validation, supplier and vendor quality control, continuous improvement systems. This leads to predictable and consistent project delivery. The next standard is for environmental management, ISO 14001. Battery systems involve environmental responsibility across manufacturing, deployment, recycling, and end of life handling. So, ISO 14001 standard ensures environmental risk minimization, sustainable engineering practices, regulatory environmental compliance. Then, third is ISO 45001. This is standard for occupational health and safety. This is critical for battery installation sites, high voltage environments, energy storage plants. This standard ensures structured safety protocols, risk controlled working environments, reduced workplace incidents. The next is integrated management system approach. The real value lies in integrating all ISO systems into a single operational framework tailored for BESS organizations, ensuring engineering efficiency, safety assurance, compliance readiness, operational discipline. Then next is BESS engineering lifecycle support. A complete BESS consultancy framework supports the entire lifecycle. First, design review and engineering validation, electrical design verification, battery configuration validation, system architecture assessment, safety compliance review. Then second is integration engineering, PCS and EMS coordination, grid interconnection validation, communication protocol alignment, control system synchronization. Then third is commissioning support, pre-commissioning technical checks, system performance verification, safety system testing, operational readiness validation. Then fourth is performance optimization, energy efficiency improvements, degradation analysis, load optimization strategies. Life cycle extension planning. Then fifth is technical documentation systems, engineering documentation standardization, compliance documentation structuring, audit ready technical files, traceability framework. Now training and capability development. Technology evolves, but human capability determines execution quality. That is why structured training programs are essential for BESS organizations. Key training models include BESS system fundamentals and advanced architecture, battery safety engineering and thermal risk management, ISO implementation for engineering teams, grid integration and system operation principles, EPC project execution best practices. Now, impact of training programs. Organizations benefit through higher engineering competency, reduced operational errors, improved project execution quality, stronger compliance awareness. The future of energy is being shaped by battery energy storage systems. But success in this industry is not defined only by technology. It is defined by engineering precision, safety discipline, compliance readiness, structured operational systems, and skilled technical teams. Organizations that invest in these areas today will become the global leaders of tomorrow's energy transition. Through specialized consultancy in engineering standards, ISO implementations, system integration, and technical training, BESS companies can achieve higher reliability, better safety performance, faster market readiness, stronger global competitiveness. If your organization is involved in battery energy storage systems and you are looking to strengthen your engineering systems, improve compliance readiness, or enhance technical capability, structured consultancy support can make a measurable difference. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is plus 917359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. So please contact us for consultancy and implementation of standards, trainings. Please like and subscribe our channel also. Thank you.